Okay guys, I just went to the grocery store. I just got a few items. We're just gonna go over the items that I got today. If you saw my previous video, I did start my 6-week mini bulk. I'm definitely adding more calories to my diet just to add more strength and overall building muscle. Let me grab my bag real quick. First, I want to start off, I got this Rebel protein drink. I drank it on the walk home. It has 16 grams of protein, so we love protein. Okay, next, I love these. If you haven't tried the Vans protein blueberry waffles, they are so good. I'm just really trying to up my protein so that way I build as much strength as possible. Moving on, I got some gluten-free bread. I like to eat a slice of bread with butter on it with my dinner. Figured bulking, I probably need to eat more bread, so it's more calories. Speaking of bulking, I got some vegan brownies. So this is, I guess, exciting, you know? Get to eat sweets. What more can you ask for? I think I got something. Oh yeah. Also, another sweets. I've never tried these before. They're gingerbread sandwich cream. These look so good. So I'm excited to try these. Let me know if you've tried these before. We have some ground turkey. I'm gonna be cooking this for my dinner tonight. We have marshmallows because I wanna make more of my pumpkin protein Rice Krispie treats. And I figured that would be more calories and protein in my diet. So I also grabbed these grilled chicken nuggets. These will be just super easy to throw in the microwave if I'm very lazy, or just cook them on the stovetop. I got marinara pasta sauce because I will be making a lot of protein pasta. I'm trying to keep my meals really simple, so figured I could do protein pasta, veggies, the sauce, and ground turkey for extra protein. Spinach for the protein pasta. I got vanilla yogurt because I'm gonna be doing my protein smoothies. I was thinking of doing my pumpkin flavored protein powder and adding in bananas. Nope. So that way I can add in bananas and then vanilla Greek yogurt for more protein. And then hopefully that tastes good with the pumpkin protein powder. We'll see. And then last, honey, because I always drizzle honey over my protein smoothies and then I'll use like a straw and drink it. And whenever you get the chunks of honey, it tastes like caramel chunks. Because I'm a fat girl at heart. Okay guys, that wraps up today's mini grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to stay tuned to see all of my recipes throughout this 12-week gym challenge. If you want to download my free Let's Get Shredded challenge, I will leave the link in the description below. But until next time, peace.